When you mix your rock tees with your 90s flannels, you get flannels that rock. It's a refashioned look that gives old school grunge a new riff. Let's get started. You'll need an old flannel, your favorite rock t-shirt, and a sewing machine. First, cut the t-shirt apart to get the image you want. Next, pin the image to the back of your flannel. Be sure to line it up in the center back below the yoke. Now, stitch around the t-shirt, leaving the edges raw. And hey, if you don't have a sewing machine, don't worry, you can always use fabric glue. And there you have it, a refashioned flannel that makes your style rock. Now that's grunge gone glam.